In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add clickable checkboxes in Word. If you've ever found yourself creating lists or forms in Word, you know how much easier it can make things to have checkboxes that you or someone else can simply click to mark off items. So, let's dive into the process that makes this a reality. To start off, you're going to need to enable a special tab in Word that might not be visible on your ribbon by default, the Developer tab. This powerful tab gives you access to advanced tools and features that aren't part of the standard setup. Begin by going to the top of your Word document and click on File. This is usually where you kick off whenever you need to make deeper, document-wide changes. From the File menu, scroll down to find Options and give that a click. This opens up a new window that allows you to customize your Word experience in a variety of ways. On the left-hand side of this window, you'll see several sections. Look for Customize Ribbon and select it. Now, you're staring at two columns. One of them on the right is labeled Main Tabs. These are the tabs you've been using all along in Word, like Home, Insert, and View. In this list, you'll want to find and check Developer. Doing so will add this tab to your Word ribbon, giving you access to a whole new suite of options. After you've made this selection, simply click OK to confirm. Now that the Developer tab is all set up, you're ready for the main act. You can either type out the list of items you want checkboxes next to, or just place your text cursor wherever you want the checkbox to appear. Next, navigate over to the brand new Developer tab we've just enabled. Click on it to open this wonderful toolbox. Once you're there, you'll see several different groups of commands lined up along the ribbon under the Developer tab. Your focus should be drawn to the Controls group. Go ahead and click on Checkbox Content Control. It appears as a small box with an X in it. By clicking this, you've inserted a checkbox exactly where you wanted it. The checkbox is not only visible but interactive, meaning you or anyone can click inside of it to check or uncheck it as needed. And there you have it. You've successfully added a clickable checkbox to your Word document. You can continue to add more checkboxes by following the same steps for each line or item. This feature is particularly useful for creating to-do lists, surveys, and even interactive forms. Make sure you save your document to keep all these nifty changes. Thanks for watching, and I hope this will make your next document a little more dynamic and interactive.